just found out that I left my whole suitcase.
Yes, that started off the road trip. But things quickly got better.
Sachi, go get your mom. Hurry up, her luggage got here. Check this out. So here's the funny thing is the luggage wasn't supposed to arrive until tomorrow. I'll admit I opened it, but I didn't know what we were getting. So we're gonna get her reaction because she's not had luggage for almost a week, 4 or 5 days. So Safiyyah,
Hey,
you're on camera because
what is this?
okay, I did open it up. I did. I know Sachi probably tried to tell you. Told it, didn't you?
Like, what is this?
Girl, you know that's your nugget.
Wait. Oh.
You can stop wearing other people's things.
This wasn't supposed to come until tomorrow.
That's the surprise.
It's a ray of sunshine.
Okay, Safiyyah's clothes. Check. Next on the list, tongue and groove. We had some materials delivered, but it looks like before it was delivered, it was invaded by bugs, mainly huge crickets.
Oh, I can't.
I think we need a broom.
Those aren't even coming off.
Ew, I don't want that in the house.
Definitely not the right side of tongue and groove we're gonna use.
I don't want that in the she. You're doing such a great job.
You know what? Get off from behind the camera. You should have been way back.
Okay, now that we got the bugs out of the way, we have another decision to
What
make.
color to paint the walls?
Yes.
So this is a big decision because as you guys have seen, it's been a lot of chaos and stress, and so we just want peace.
And it's already a small space.
Yes.
So we really don't want to close it in with a dark color. So we
Right.
just kind of want to get...
So we knew we wanted something kind of bright, a little bit of a gray tint. So we went in, we looked at a bunch of colors, and in the end, it came down to the name.
Yes. And it's Solemn Silence. Doesn't that just resonate?
Right? Say it again, say it again.
Solemn Silence.
Okay, time to paint.
We had to move that 69 boards.
69 boards. is what
69
we started
boards
with.
over to the area where we actually...
And so it was paint, put the boards down, pick some more boards up, paint, and put the boards down. And it was just the whole
I felt like we were
process.
doing...
Are you dancing? Are you dancing?
It was the whole
She's
motion.
not that exhausted,
I mean,
is
you
she?
know, my back.
It didn't look
My
like your back was
neck.
hurting.
All that.
But here's the bottom line. We're
Right.
having fun with this.
Right, we did.
We're going to be soaking tonight, but we have 200 more boards to be delivered.
200.
So I think this process here is just not that efficient.
No,
And I think we just need to throw these tongue and groove on the wall and then paint them there.
I think that's a great decision. I'm glad you came to that because you were probably gonna be painting yourself.
I do a lot of stuff by myself anyways. Anyway, sounds like plan. High five. Yeah. Don't hit me.
See what exhaustion does?
You're going crazy. You think I don't know what that face means?
What? I didn't say anything.
Your face said it.
But I didn't say anything, so you can't accuse me of anything.
I can't
You can't
accuse-
read my mind.
I can read your face.
So we loaded up the boards and got to work.
Here we go. She got the shoulders going.
We measured, cut, and put one board up at a time.
2 down. 175 to go.
Surprisingly, things were moving fairly quickly. We were feeling empowered until we had to take it all down. See the way it's framed? It's framed for the tongue and groove to start on the long wall. We started on what seemed like the easiest wall. A whole day's work down the drain. But we quickly made up for lost time. We got help from our engineer at Kode-X Rising. Eventually, Safiyyah and I got our jobs took by a 13-year-old. But hey, the walls are looking good, and they're gonna look much better after we get the other boards painted.
All right, are we ready to do this? We're ready to play.
I think so.
All right, because we read so many instructions.
We broke down how to thin this paint out. If we only had a third of a gallon, we want to play with this and not a whole gallon.
So this is our play space.
Okay, here we go.
You waiting for something?
Safiyyah didn't want to spend more time on the paint gun, so she did it the old-fashioned way and got it done.
The way you comb your hair, and I like the style of clothes you wear. It's just the little things you do.
What's wrong with you?
You don't see him trying to get in my way? He about to get painted is what he about to get. I don't even know what that is. That's not a bee.
You sure? Because
It's
look,
special.
he's got bee colors.
It's a special thing. I don't know, but he is trying to get into.
close. I hope he doesn't bite.
Well, he gonna be feeling some paint in a minute. He not gonna have his pretty color.
Doing a pretty good job there.
It's a lot of work, but someone's got to do it.
Okay, but let's take a little bit of a break. Take a break. Okay, then keep painting and talk to us as you keep painting.
Okay.
Because you kind of like did most of this, like both she sheds yourself. I mean, you had a little help, but you did a lot of work yourself. So I'm just trying to give you a little accolades here. We're proud.
It's kind of therapeutic. I'll stay out of people's way, you know. I usually get reassigned on stuff, you know. So this is something I can do without people bothering me.
I want to let you know. First off, I'll pat on all your back. And
I'm
stuff.
good for something.
She did
I'm good
really,
for
really
something.
good. And what really happened is that she got tired of being reassigned.
So I did my own thing, and then they still come in here and bother me.
She did a good job. So take a look.
Things are looking up. Time to celebrate with family.